insulating the windows by putting in an extra sheet of acrylic.
Can you just cut it at the wall and just make a connection and stuff?
Just cut the wall there.
No, just cut it there where the wall sticks out. And put the two pieces in, and then I'll just give it.
That's not the fun.
No, but this is a lot of work.
Yeah, I can do that.
I need to paint it anyway, so I can make that look like it's not even there. And if we don't tell anyone, nobody will know. Making drawers for the kitchen.
You should really invent a place where they have pre-built it and you just have to assemble it. Where you can buy stuff for cheap money. You could call it something like IKEA or something.
Yeah, but the problem with IKEA was that it's actually not cheap.
Oh.
We looked at IKEA and it was bad materials for high prices.
But try calculating my
Yeah, if we
paycheck.
take your paycheck, your work hours also, then it will be expensive this. But you know, we still save a lot of money on doing these ourselves, or you building them. It's a good thing I have such a talented husband or fiance. Go do your math, kid. Ah, you're putting the front on the outside of one, so putting like an extra.
Yeah, the front will go like this. This is not the front, but it will be put like that.
Yeah, okay.
So this is the inside, because the front has to be that wide.
Oh yeah, I just imagined you would just use the back side of the front for this.
But how will you attach the front then? Just through the front, screw it in?
Oh yeah, I see your point.
No. This is how you do it. And then these goes one on each side.
Drilling the holes for the spotlights in the bathroom ceiling. It's a little bit tricky because they're so thin. So it shows these boards as a sub roof because on the sub ceiling because they're so flexible. So we can bend them and put them up, and then we're gonna put, then the ceiling boards will go on top of it. So this is just a sub ceiling. It needs to be really flexible.
This is just to make sure I don't hit the cable when I drill and screw and different stuff. So I'm gonna put it in the line here so I know where the cables are.
That's smart. I've been painting all day, so here's the result. And we put up, see, we put up these sub-ceiling boards. Looks awesome, I think. And I've been painting. Look at my bedroom. It's coming together so nice. Tomorrow I'll give it another second coat. It's gonna be good. And also the hallway, gonna look so good. I'm very happy about it. Just the paint really makes a difference, I think. It looks so much more finished. Tomorrow we're gonna put up more ceiling.
We're building a smart bus, but we're gonna use a lot of cable. I think actually we got almost a mile of cable in here, so it's crazy. We just have everything's gonna be controlled here.
Getting ready to assemble some drawers. Torben just cut all the pieces.
Yeah, now it's just like IKEA.
Yeah, now it's like IKEA. We just need to assemble them ourselves. He did 3 already. They're here. Looks good. We didn't put the fronts on yet. We're gonna make them later today or tomorrow. So for now, it's more about assembling. We're putting up our new wood map. I figured it would look nice in here. So it just came in the mail yesterday and I finished painting the walls today so we could put it up. All done. Looks good, I think. Now we have the world here. And the boat, the little sailboat down in the corner, that's where our boat is. Costa Rica.
Yeah, you know what? The house lady ordered a star map. So we gonna do a star, so they're gonna look like the stars, but that's...
I don't know if you can see that. Can you take a picture? Yeah, this is gonna be the spotlights.
The star map, different sizes, different places.
Not really a star map, just like a star sky.
Star sky, but that gives a little bit of cabling. It always goes like, Torben, can we do this? Oh yeah, good, we do it.
Well, if you can think it, you can do it.
Yeah, you're right. We go the extra mile.
That's why I love you, honey. You can do anything. Just making sure that the connections don't suddenly come apart once we put up the ceiling.
There's gonna be so many connections, so to find an error afterwards will be a nightmare. So
it would be a nightmare, and also once we put up the entire ceiling, you would have to take down the whole ceiling just to reconnect it. So we're trying to avoid that by making the connections as strong as possible, by giving them some shrinking tape. Solar panel cables have been taped to the ceiling. Cut a little piece into the isolation. Yeah. And then now we're going to put up the sub-ceiling for this section. Putting up the second plate. Torben is cutting out first of the kitchen fronts. It's gonna look the first front. That's really good. Very nice. Torben's dad and his dad's wife came yesterday and they're gonna stay with us for 2 weeks. So Torben is getting a helping hand with some of the jobs, and the kids have their grandparents to come and play with them. So they're really happy and it's really good to see them. We haven't seen them in a year. So yeah. board for me. Let's see if it fits. Perfect fit. You did a good job, honey.
Just need.
This looks good.
Vi skal bare have noget klar fuge på.
Yeah, then we need to make the holes for the drinking water tap and the normal water tap. Perfect.
Do it in a second.
I'm happy.
Så får lige tegne dem op. Skal det her sidde sådan her? Ja, det er bare flere gange her.